Today's video, as always, is about driving fails, mistakes, how not to drive, and bad drivers. Don't forget the bonus video at the end. A car from Antioch, California pulls into my lane, does donuts in the intersection, and tries to swing the car around to hit me.
안 받았지?
제가 자기 이렇게 살짝 받은 것 같은데? 오 마이. 여기 차들이 많아.
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Kitchener, Ontario. Dude had to brake hard to get behind the truck to get to their exit. I had to brake hard to avoid hitting him. I was worried that the box truck I just passed wasn't going to be able to slow down in time too. Wolcott, Connecticut, an idiot in an Acura can't stay in his lane on a blind curve on the lakefront.
What the? Fuck you! What the?
Well, the truck on the opposite side, the lane curved, so I can only guess this person, why distracted or something, because he went out of lane, which I braked and honked at him. Lady behind this truck, I think, also honked as well, because she was right behind. Dashcam lenses makes it look as if it wasn't that bad, but it was close.
Holy! What the fuck did that just guy have to do? Like, he just went over your lane.
America's listening to
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
WFW's News, Talk, and Weather Station. News Talk 820 WBAP AM. And now on WBAP FM at 93.3. Streaming live on our free mobile app. A Cumulus.
Oh my God, my booty! Lord, the cheese.
Driver in a Ford F-150 pulled out in front of me in icy conditions. I fishtailed, trying to avoid a collision, but luckily, I was able to keep it under control. Palm Springs, California? If I matched speed with the blue SUV, the outcome would have been much different.
Holy shit. Okay, Garmin, save video. Ese debe seguir por allá, ¿no? Yeah.
And the bonus video. Maybe need more practice? What are your thoughts? Write in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't be shy. Leave a comment under the video.